Hi, I just wanted to give you a quick little update as to how to see your academic plan and to see what courses you're registered for next year. I've opened up Infinite Campus. This is the student side of Infinite Campus. I'm opening up my child's registration for next year. The academic plan is here on the left. Click on that, and it sends you to a generate report screen. You want to choose the detail, and then I just choose select all. I don't know which one of them is the one that's like really the one you want to look at, but I'm just going to select all, and I'm going to generate it as a PDF. So generate the report, open it up, and you can see all the planned things for this. My son's in 8th grade, so you can see what's planned for 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th and 12th grade for language arts and for math and for science. So it just shows you all the things that you have set up for you. Hope that helps. When you get finished, if there's anything that you need to change, then you need to go to the drop add form that I posted as a link earlier. And also, I am curious as to which class you are planning on taking. And if you want to get my opinion about what you should take, feel free to send me a remind message. You guys have a great day.